Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a massive Honcho Wholesale box. It's supposed to be spring and summer shoes, shelf pulls, which means everything's going to be in great condition. 20 units in this box. I paid $379 for it. It MSRPs at over $1,500, so hopefully there's good money to be made in this box.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, so let's just get right into it and open it right up. We're going to see what's in here. Once I get this all opened, I'll probably drop it onto the floor so that we can get a good look at everything. Try not to break myself. All right. There we go. I'm too short. There we go. Okay. All right. Here's my shipping notice. Yep. Shelf pulls 20 units, MSRP $1,564. So we're going to go ahead and pull this down here. Whew, there we go. That's a lot easier. Look at that. Nice shoe boxes in good shape. White Mountain. I've never seen this brand before. White Mountain. Nice pair of women's heels. I need my little turntable for this box. These are size 8. Size 8 black women's heel. Great condition. So those are going to be great ones. I think I'm just going to do this with all of them so we can kind of still look at them at the end. All right, so we got one really nice pair of size 8s. What are these? 7 dials. Pair of nice, woo, look at those heels. It's a larger size, I think. 9.5. Yes, 9.5 is a little bit harder to find in a lady's shoe. So that's a good shoe as well. Look at that. Really nice. So 20 pairs. If they're all in this condition, I'm super excited. All right, so we've got International Concepts, which is like a Macy's brand. These are cool. Look at these. Those are really fun. So they have the zipper in the back to put it on, and then this goes around your ankle. Those are really clever and cute. There's a pair of women's white sandal, size 10. Size 10. So those are neat. So far I've gotten sizes I really like. I think we're going to be able to move them. Here's another International Concepts. Oh, those are cute. All right, those are a 7.5. If they were my size, I would totally keep them because they would match everything. Everything that I wear. So great condition on those. You can clearly tell. They were originally $89.50. So I'd say we're going to make some money on this box. All right. Size 6.5. Something is a size 6.5. Oh my word, they're so cute. Oh, they're tied together. Hold on. Hold on. I'm trying to get them the right way. Okay. Anyway, this is what they look like. They're backwards, but they're 6.5. Navy blue suede strap on them. International Concepts. Let's see if we can. Original retail on these were $79.50. I don't think that was the original box for those. Okay, here's another 7 dials. Okay, these look just like the kind of tan nude color ones we pulled out, but they're black. These are 8.5. Original retail price is $60 on these. So far, I think it's phenomenal condition. Phenomenal. Try to keep these brands together here. So we've got 2 pair of the 7 dials, 2 pair of the International Concepts, and a couple of other off brands.
Discount code.
Oh yeah. Also, if you like this box, which I totally do, I offer a $15 off discount code, HOOKED, hooked. So if you use that $15 off discount code, you get 15 bucks off. No matter what you buy, 15 bucks off. That pretty much, like on a makeup box, that would take care of all your shipping because makeup boxes only are 15 bucks to ship. So That's a nice, a naturalizer, Comfort Soul. This is a coffee bean color. 9.5 is the color. Naturalizer. I think we sent some of these into Amazon or sold them really well the last time we had this brand. So it's a good one to have.
Discount code is to Honcho.
Yes, the discount code is the Honcho Wholesale. This is a Honcho Wholesale shoe box. And so you just go on to Honcho Wholesale, $15 off if you use the promo code HOOKED. I have the link down in the description below. Michael Kors. Woohoo! Look at those cute sandals. Those are a size 6 leather Ramona sandal by Michael Kors. I wonder what the original retail on this one was. It doesn't say, but I'm totally gonna, in the second video, watch my second video, I'm going to scan it and look it up because I want to see how much these were originally. I'm gonna leave it on top so we can match it to all the pictures. All right, then let's see what else we got. Got another pair of sandals. I don't see the lid to this box. So Tommy Hilfiger sandals. They are a 9.5. Original retail price was $79. And the black kind of multicolored sandals. Those are cute, aren't they? 9.5 is a good size. I love these name brands. Michael Kors, Tommy Hilfiger. Oh, here's some Anne Klein. Let's look at these Anne Kleins here. Some Macy's sticker on them. And I kind of look at these because I don't know if they've been returned, but they sure don't look like they've ever been worn. These are Anne Klein iFlex. This is a size. I'm looking. I might have to just look in the shoe. I don't see the size on these. Oh, wait, here it is. 9. It's a leather upper Encore wood. 9 medium is the size of the shoe. I know, it's like metallic. That's really, really beautiful. It's a nice color. It's a nice neutral color. Go with anything. All right, what else we got? Adrian Vitini Sport. Oh, look at those. Those are awesome. Snakeskin. So a pair of Macy's. They are size 7.5, tan brown snakeskin, and they're called Adrian Vitadini Sport. I'm sure I'm butchering that name. I'm confident of it, but it's this name right here, the Adrian Vitadini Sport. So one thing I love about shoes is they always sell, and they always sell really fast, and they don't take up a ton of space. I usually just stack them on top of things. Oh, look at that shoe. That's a nice high wedge. Shorties out there, here you go. You want to get a little taller? That's a 7.5 nude bling material girl heel. 7.5 nude with the little cork heel. Really, really nice, cute shoe. Oops. I'm doing it wrong. There. All right. How many more we got in there? We've got, quite a bit more. There's a pair of 9 West. Another pair of cork heels. Everything I got in the last Honcho Wholesale box sold. All of the shoes that I actually got. These are 8 medium, black leather. And they are black leather. And so every single thing that I got in the last Honcho Wholesale shoe box of the shoes, I sold. Each and every one of them. So they're almost guaranteed sales, and I almost always do really, really well. I always make a profit, but I usually do really well on these ones because they're just in such good shape. They take great pictures for Poshmark because they're kind of unique styles. You can't find, they're not cookie cutter shoes. You can't find them everywhere. And that's one of the reasons why I really love getting shoes from Honcho Wholesale. Look at these snakeskin ones. Steve Madden, chunk heel, snakeskin boot, shoes, sandals. What are they?
Jack you up good.
Yeah, 8.5. I might almost be as tall as Paul if I wore those. Those are neat. All right, how many more we got in here? Quite a few. Here's another naturalizer. These sell great. I love these. Ooh, that's a pretty flat. Kind of a gold, rose gold a little bit. Look at me sounding like I got it wrong. It's honey pearl. Honey pearl, not rose gold. How dare I? All right, these are a 7.5. A lot of these are going to end up on our fire sale, so you'll be able to check that out. Put it on the fire sale. I keep trying to put them back in the box, but I want to look at them when I go to do the listing video. So make sure you watch that second listing video. And again, don't forget, if you want to buy from Honcho Wholesale, I have a promo code HOOKED, $15 off. Let's save every little bit of money. There is an awesome shoe. That looks like a large size. Size 11 in women's. It's called a Darcy shoe. So what are they? Easy Street is the brand. Kind of nice little zipper to put them on easily. Really, really comfy. That's a nice dress shoe. Throw them on with some slacks or a skirt. Either way. My table's getting full over here on the other side. How many more we got in here? I'm curious what's in this box. Let's see. It's kind of a unique box, isn't it? Bella Vita is what it says. Ooh, a pair of boots. Bootsy, a lot of people try to sell boots in the wintertime, but they actually do sell all year round. Partly because if you're looking for a pair of boots in the summer, you can't find them at any store because it's out of season. And so a lot of times they sell great online. So these are really soft, flexible leather. They're not stiff at all. So a really nice pair of gray boots. They are size 7.5. Come with their own bag. Great condition. All right. I have to leave those on this table because we filled up our other table. Okay, let's Sperry top sliders. Sperry top sliders is what this says. Oh, just a nice, cute, detailed flat. It is a size 7.5. European size 38. If you ever guys want to know the European sizes, just holler it out when I'm doing the fire sales and stuff, because I know I do have some international viewers. So, top Sperry. Let's see, we'll do this. We got 2 more in here. 2 more. Not sure which brand this is. Ooh, a nice, just plain, traditional, cute naturalizer. It's a naturalizer. I'm so happy because those sold great for us. 6 medium is the size. It's a Channing black flat. A nice shoe, isn't it? Very, very soft. Those naturalizers are comfortable shoes. So that's a size 6. Throw those over here. Last box to fit on that table. Okay, 1 more left. I almost fell in the box. Easy Street. I bet it's going to be a wild kind because the last one was snakeskin. Oh, just a plain pair of black pumps. But look at the cushion in that. Oh my goodness. Now that is a high heel that is made for walking all day. So it's a nice black high heel, Easy Street. 8 is the size. 8 is the size. So beautiful condition. I am never, ever, ever disappointed with the condition I get from Honcho Wholesale. So if you also would like a Honcho Wholesale box, remember I spent $379.80 on this one. So basically $380 I spent on this, and I got 20 pairs of gorgeous shoes. So watch my second listing video. I'm going to tell you how much you're going to make in profit, and also decide what I want to price them for on the fire sale. You get steep discounts on my fire sale. So hopefully it's been fun to watch this Honcho Wholesale shoe unboxing of mostly spring and summer shoes. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below. Hey, if you want to buy anything from Honcho Wholesale, it doesn't have to be shoes. It can be a variety of things. You can use my promo code HOOKED, HOOKED, and you get $15 off no matter what you buy. So I would definitely recommend buying from Honcho Wholesale and using my promo code HOOKED.